This tiny kitten is about to lose its mind, and honestly, same. Listen to those impatient meows, because milk time is taking way too long. Wait, watch this spinning, jumping, zero chill on the wooden floor. And there it is, first sip. Instant silence. Curled up in its fruit bed, paws wiggling like it just won the lottery. Proof that happiness sometimes comes in a bottle of milk.